Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BSc African Electronic Surgery. It's Wednesday. So, what do you have on a Wednesday? We have like an exam. Let's do like a short exam. You know, when you are fixing various kind of things, it's not like a one-man band here, but it's also good to hear your views. We have to move together. So what do we have? We have this TV. This TV was booked in as no power. And a lot of stuff was booked in while during my absence by my assistants. And one of the stuff is this TV. It's Echo model LH20. Came in as no power. And that's the power pack, which is using 12 volts 1.5 amps. So let me plug in the power pack. Let's check some voltage on the power pack. Check on the screen 12.38. So the charger is good. So the next step is to plug in the charger. The charger is plugged. You can see the standby light. Let's power on this TV. On. Just a flashing echo, and the TV is going back to standby. On again. Flashing log and going back to standby. So, what do you think is the problem of this TV? This is a test. I'm not going to fix this now, but I just want to hear your comments. What do you think is the problem of this TV? We made so many videos of TV repairs, different faults. What do you think is the fault of this one? Let's do it one more time. The charger is plugged. You can see on the middle of the TV, we do have the red light for standby light. Pressing the power, just a flash echo, and it's going back to standby. So, just leave a comment. Tell me what is the problem of this TV, and we'll meet on the second part of this video, trying to repair this TV based on the comments. We are going to repair this TV based on your comments. What do you think is the problem? So leave your comment below, and we will do the second part together. We'll get inside the TV, trying to understand what's going on with this TV. Okay? So see you on the next part. Bye.